Good morning. It is Wednesday, April 8th, and I am recording from my daughter's room. Um, it was the only quiet place in the house, so I figured I would just sneak in here and get started. So I hope you guys had a nice night last night and you are ready to get started today on some learning. Um, Obviously, I think we're getting into a good habit of getting that daily check in out of the way right away in the morning. And then throughout the day, posting to two other people as a reply. It says one other person in there, but I think that we could probably reply to more than one. Um, Second piece of the day is to check in with your math teacher, find out what it is you will be working on for the day. And always keep in mind that if you have an issue and you can't get a hold of somebody in your math class, like your math teacher, um, you can always contact me and I can help you figure out a way that we can get in touch with them. Reading core today is a little light. I'll tell you why in a moment. We're going to read a short article called "Traitor or Hero," and then you're going to answer some questions called author questions. And then I also have posted the fifth journal prompt for our real time journals. And then I have added in there 30 minutes of reading of your personal choice book. Now, this is a light day in language arts just because um, lately I've been noticing that there have been a lot of assignments that have not been turned in yet. So I'm assuming that's either because we forgot to turn them in after we finished them, or we just haven't had time to finish them yet. So we are going to, I am going to ask you guys to go back and look in your grades on the left hand side of your Schoology courses to find out if um, you do have something missing from last week. If you do have something missing, the beautiful part about it is you can always turn that in. Okay. I do know that there's also a couple social studies things that we've done and a couple science things that we've done so far. And there's a lot of blanks in my grade book just because people have not turned them in yet. Um, Social studies. It is a science day today, so we're not doing social studies. So that is a perfect time for you to go in there and find out if there is something that you have forgotten to turn in or do. Um, and then science today, reminder for you, the ABCD diagrams that we did last week. Those are something that you can still turn in. I would appreciate it if you would look back and see if you did or didn't turn that in so that you can complete that as well. Um, but in science today, we will be starting the force and motion activity number 2, which is answering the question, what is force? And to do that, you'll be participating in a virtual lab on Discovery Ed today, which is really cool. In your science course, I've actually created a video of how you can go about completing this lab. So you'll have to watch that when you get to science. Um, as always, if there's something that comes up during the day, please feel free to contact me. My virtual meetings for the day today are from 1 to 1:30. That's our whole class. Um, we are going to be talking about a project that we will be doing called the Wonder Bubbles. And I know that in the past we've done these, maybe it was in the first trimester, but I'm going to kind of talk about how we are going to create a wonder bubble and what a wonder bubble is and why they will be important for our learning in social studies and in reading. And they kind of connect to our Woods Runner book as well. So that'll be from 1 to 1:30. The code is right there. And then my office hours again are from 10 to 11:30 ish. And then the code is there as well. Today I am also going to be asking for some individual student check-ins, and they have received emails from me that let them know when they are meeting. And then What you'll do is you'll just go to WebEx when it is your turn, like at 9 o'clock. Yakin is going to go. Um, all she has to do is go to WebEx, put in the code, and then there's a password. And the password that I put in was Panther. So all you have to do is type that in, and then you'll join the session, and we'll have a discussion about where we're at and if we need to um, help each other get anything done more easily. And if you're stuck anywhere or you have questions, that's going to be what that time is for. That's all I've got for you. So if you have any questions as you get going this morning, shoot me an email. I'm here. Hope you have a good day.